Hello and welcome back to another Python 3.7 tutorial. My name's Tom with MasterCode Online. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to take a look at furs and sets in Python. Basically what a furs and set is the same thing as a set, except it makes the set immutable. So that means we cannot change it in place. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we first off create a furs and set. So the easiest way to create a furs and set would be A is going to represent that furs and set. We're going to use the furs and set function in Python. So we hit return, call A. There's our furs and set. Now, how do we get the objects inside it? We do A is equal to furs and set, like this. And we'll do a list in here. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Close out our list, close out our function, hit return, call A. There's our furs and set. We can even check the type on it. And we'll say A. And it's a class furs and set. Now, like I said before, it's a immutable set, so that's where it differs from a regular set. So just to prove this, we do a.add, which we just looked at recently. We're going to add a object, so we'll say 7. Furs and set object has no attribute add. All right, so we can't add an object to it. How about remove an object? A.remove, and we'll say let's remove 6. Hit return. Furs and set object has no attribute remove, so we cannot remove an object. So there's the introduction to furs and sets. We're going to cover this a little bit more in the next couple tutorials, but we're not going to beat it up too much. I mean, the main difference is the fact that furs and sets are immutable, where sets are mutable. So I'll see you in the next tutorial.